Hey everyone, I wanted to put together a practice quiz for you guys to let you know what's going to be expected as you guys have to do the visual arts identification quiz. So what I want you to know is the title, the artist, and then the medium of a given work. And I put a study guide online that has the major works of art that I want you to be able to identify, and then there's a PowerPoint that corresponds to that we'll go over the images and help you to be able to create flashcards to be able to identify some of the images. So the idea and the purpose of this is to get you guys familiar with some of the major works of art so you can have at least a common basis of understanding some of the main ones that are out there. So what I'm going to show you is just an image. It'll be very similar to the visual arts quiz online, where you'll just see an image and it'll ask you to either identify the name of the artist, the title of the work, or the medium, right? So here is the first image, so you can just kind of go along and take the quiz as though, right, you're actually taking the quiz. So identify the artist, and then you're going to see a list of all the artists that you are supposed to know, and then you're supposed to then identify which artist did this. Okay, so here's number one. Here is number two, and so you might see the entire work, or you might just see a section of the work, a part of the work. But if you just see a part of the work, it's not going to be like a finger or a toe or something obscure. It'll be something that you should be able to recognize and say, okay, I know I've seen that image before. Identify the artist. Again, identify the artist. This one might be a little bit tricky because we talked about this artist in connection with another artist, and so you have to be able to distinguish between them. Number four, this one's asking you to identify the medium. That will also be on the art identification quiz. So is it tempera, print, oil, mural, or fresco? Again, identify the medium. Identify the medium. And then the other one that you could be asked is to identify the title. And so you'll just see an image and it says, what title is it? Okay, so that's an overview for the visual arts identification quiz, just to give you a sense of what to expect from it, how much you need to study for it, or whatnot, just to get you to get prepared. Just let me know if you have any questions.